Hello guys, in this video we are going to look at the concept and syntax of if and else statements in C++. If in C++. If is a predominant conditional statement in C++ as well as any other programming languages in this world. We use if statement to instruct the computer to execute an operation or set of operations only if a particular condition is satisfied. For example, a day is considered to be sunny only if the average temperature of the day is equal to or greater than 35 degrees Celsius. In other words, the day is not a sunny day if the temperature is below 35 degrees Celsius. So now looking at the syntax of if we have to write if is the keyword here, and in parentheses we have to give the condition statement. The condition statement can be equal to or greater than or lesser than, etc. We can write any set of or any kind of condition there, and with a curly bracket we open the statement block, and here in this statement block we will be writing our code or the instruction which is to be carried out once the if condition is true or satisfied. If the condition is satisfied, we have to perform the computer has to perform a set of instructions, and this is where we will be writing our set of instructions, and we'll be closing that with a curly bracket. Now moving on to else statement. We use else statement to perform a specific action when the if statement is false. In the above example, we can print out today isn't a sunny day when the if condition is false, or specifically in this case, temperature is lesser than 35 degree Celsius. If the temperature is lesser than 35 degrees Celsius, we can print out today isn't a sunny day. Now, the syntax of else. So else should have a if part as well, because else comes to play only when the if statement fail failed to uh, execute, or if it is if statement is false, else statement comes to play. So after closing the statement block of if, we have to write else is the keyword, and there is no condition statement for else, so we are directly writing the code. So open a curly bracket, then here in the statement block we can print out a phrase, or we can do certain mathematical operations. Okay, now we shall look into a program written using if and else statements. So I have already written this program to save time. In hash include iostream using namespace std. This is the standard header for any C++ program, so we don't have to do anything over there. And now we have to declare our variables for this program. So I am declaring the temp variable as float because temperature can be decimal as well. So I have declared the variable there, and we are going to start our main function. So int main, in the block cout, we are giving here we are giving a giving an input prompt to the users to enter the temperature. So enter the temperature in degrees Celsius, because we are calculating it in, we are considering degree Celsius temperature here. Okay, so we have to mention it. Otherwise, they will be entering Fahrenheit or Kelvin or something, and the program would fail. So now we are here. Here we are starting the if statement. If this is our condition statement, temperature greater than or is equal to 35, see out, hooray, it is a sunny day. And two exclamation marks to point out that we are happy. Okay. Then with a curly bracket, we are closing, and else starting a curly bracket, see out, oh, today isn't a sunny day. If this condition is false. Now let us look, try it out. So let's take P5. Today it's a sunny day, and let's see. Um, Now let us try a temperature below 35 degrees Celsius. So again run. So program is compiling. So let's say 34. Oh, today isn't a sunny day, and we will play it again once more. Let's see 25. Again, it isn't a sunny day. Okay, so this is how we write a program using if and else statements together. Thank you.